Hey sassy people! Welcome to another unboxing video here in SassyToys channel. Today, we are going to unbox Poppy Parker Palm Springs Decor Set. This decor set is a pre-made order last October 2022 with a total price of $100 plus shipping and handling for the W Club members and $125 for non-members. Without further ado, let's now open this box. Inside the cover of this box, you will see this colorful print that can be a backdrop for your doll or your furniture set. And it comes with instructions on how to assemble this decor set. Next up, here's a certificate of authenticity with edition size of 2200. And here's the printed area rug with approximate length of 9 by 9 inches. And here's the lampshade accessories. And it comes with 2 paper magazines and a photo of Serio. Now that our decor set is finished, here's Poppy Parker and she's excited to try our decor set. Here's the final look of our decor set with Poppy Parker. just got a battery from dollar store and now we are going to try to light up our lampshade. And here is Barbie, and she wants to try our decor set too. Here's the Palm Spring decor set with Barbie. So there we have it, guys. What do you think? Is it a must-have or a pass? Please comment down below. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And make sure to hit that little bell button to receive our latest update. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Here's the comment of the day. Thank you.